Ever had that moment where something just wasn't quite right? That awkward pause, that tiny mistake, or that sudden realization that makes you go, eh? We've all been there. Get ready to laugh as we explore the most unexpected situations where only one sound truly captures the vibe.
Another day, another Paris Sprite hype story.
It's creepy. Hey!
Why would you want to talk to somebody with a drink and go,
You know, I need to find Pinalo.
Oh, sorry. Histórico. Hey!